What is your D.O.B. versus when is your birthday? What is your D.O.B.? This question is asking about the date that you were born. You can answer two ways. My D.O.B. is November 28th, 1984. Or you can say, my date of birth is November 28th, 1984. Both answers include the year. When is your birthday? You can answer this question two ways. The first answer is just the month. The second answer is the date. My birthday is in November. My birthday is November 28th. Both answers are correct, but neither includes the year. And that is the difference between what is your D.O.B. and when is your birthday. Thank you for listening and following along.